Bonsoir les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield and you can find me at parisianfrench.com. Do you know how to use these little words? Ceux-ci, celle-là, celle-ci and ceux-là, combinations between singular, plural, feminine, masculine, these little words that are really the trickiest and can make our life miserable sometimes if we are not quite sure how to use them. We stop in the middle of conversation to look for them, or if we don't find them, we stop from the conversation in French altogether and switch to English, which is really not what we want to do. So I would like to give you a few examples, a couple of examples tonight, but I will give you the transcript at the end, and of all the words that I would like you to use, I want you to make a lot of examples. And so tonight, I'm going to give you a couple as a sample, but as, you know, like a model, and then I really want you to chip in and give me examples so that I can correct them. I want this group to be very active. So I'm going to give you two examples. Let's imagine this context. Regarde ces deux garçons. Regarde ces deux garçons. Look at these two boys. Celui-ci est mon fils. Celui-là est son ami. This one is my son. That one is his friend. Regarde ces deux filles. Celle-ci est ma fille. Celle-là est son amie. This one. So look at these two girls. This one is my daughter. That one is her friend. So plural, I'm gonna write in the description of the video all the forms. And I would like you to create a context that is real for you. Please don't just put some sentences with the words that work grammatically together. Don't do that. But do create contexts that you would communicate. Something that could come into a conversation with a stranger should you, for instance, introduce yourself, tell your story a little bit. And so make that a habit. Whenever you have to make some examples, to create some examples to practice, create the examples so then once they are correct, you know, you're sure that they're good, then you can just take them and use them in conversation. So, and of course, that's all I had to say for today for French, but I wanted to remind you that the scholarship is open for applications, and the details of the application are in the webinar that I had on Sunday. If you scroll down, you'll find it. But easier, go to parisianfrench.com, subscribe there, and you're going to receive my newsletter tomorrow morning. You're going to receive all the details that you need in order for you to apply for this scholarship. It's an 8-week program called From Newbie to Oh La La that will be available soon, and applications for scholarships can already come in. So thank you so much for watching this. I really am looking for those examples so that I can correct them in the comments below. And don't ever give up on your dream to become bilingual. Learn to speak Parisian French on Skype and break the language barrier. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine. Au revoir.